What if I told you that the skills you're learning right now might be obsolete in less than 5 years? AI isn't coming. It's already here, automating jobs, replacing roles, and reshaping what it means to be valuable. In this video, let's explore 5 skills that are rapidly losing their worth, and more importantly, what to focus on instead. Skill number 1, data entry and admin work. Copy-pasting spreadsheets, typing reports, scheduling meetings. These used to be essential tasks. Now, AI assistants like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and even Google Sheets scripts can do it faster and cheaper. What to learn instead? Build automation systems, design workflows, and become the person who tells AI what to do, not the one doing it manually. Skill number 2, graphic design without strategy. If all you know is how to make posts look nice, AI has already beaten you. Tools like Canva, Leonardo AI, and Adobe Firefly can generate designs in seconds. No effort, no thinking. What to learn instead? Brand psychology, storytelling, and design thinking. That's where human creativity still wins. Skill number 3, generic social media posting. Posting daily is not a skill. Everyone's doing it, and most of it is noise. AI can write captions, schedule content, even respond to comments now. What to learn instead? Learn growth strategy, community building, and the psychology of content hooks. In the future, attention is currency, and strategy is how you earn it. Skill number 4, cold calling. Let's be honest. No one wants another scripted call from a stranger. AI voice bots are taking over outreach, and your audience is trained to tune out anything that feels robotic. What to learn instead? Master storytelling, build real audience trust, and use automated funnels that work while you sleep. Skill number 5, basic coding, HTML and CSS only. Just a few years ago, basic front-end skills were in high demand, but today, AI can generate full landing pages in seconds using just a prompt. If your coding skill ends at HTML and CSS, you'll be outpaced by AI website builders, no-code tools, and auto-generators. What to learn instead? Focus on problem-solving with code, learn JavaScript logic, or shift into product thinking plus UX. It's no longer about typing code. It's about knowing what to build and why. These skills aren't wrong. They're just outdated if they don't evolve. The world is changing, and the only real survival skill is adaptability. If you want to upgrade your thinking, stay ahead of the machines, and survive the future, hit subscribe. This is Upgradica, and we're just getting started.